Looking for a healthy breakfast that's ready when you wake up? Try these easy overnight oats. In a jar, add 50 grams of rolled oats, 120 milliliters of milk, 100 grams of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Stir everything together until well combined. Pop the lid on and place it in the fridge overnight, or for at least 6 hours. By morning, the oats will be thick, creamy, and ready to eat. Give them a quick stir, then add your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, sliced banana, chopped nuts, peanut butter, or a sprinkle of cinnamon all work brilliantly. The best thing about overnight oats is how versatile they are. You can prepare several jars at once and change the toppings each day, making breakfast quick, easy, and never boring. They're packed with fiber, protein, and slow-release energy to help keep you feeling full throughout the morning. Subscribe to Nodini for more recipes and easy meal ideas.